I noticed that for my interview, you're not wearing that blood red lipstick, and I was looking forward to the blood red ribbons in your plaits and the blood red sari. What happened?
Well, that's because my look has changed a little in the show because I want to really go close to my husband because he doesn't look at me in that red lipstick and those ribbons in my hair. So since I want him to look at me at least, so I've done this much effort so that he can just have a glance at me at least.
Okay, but one thing, Pooja, that I haven't understood in these serials, even the ones that I really like, the women are so made up all the time. Even when you go to sleep, you're wearing makeup.
I think that's because the television standards and the soap standards have been set up like this, and we've just been following them. I mean, people expect that the bahus on screen are just not like the normal ones or the normal people. We need, I say this on television now, if people can hear me out there, that we need to have one show on television where we come very naturally. We have, I think, very natural makeup and very natural story going on.
But you're addressing the audience on this show. If you weren't sleeping with eyeliner, for instance,
okay,
you don't think the audience would accept that?
The audience will, of course they will, and of course they will be, you know, in a little confusion that why is she not having makeup, why is she not having the eyeliner. But yes, people do want to not see the liner and not see the decked up Pratigya or maybe on some other show or the bahu like that.
Yeah, so why don't you, have you ever suggested this to your producers? For instance, this sari that you're wearing.
Yeah, this sari is my night dress, I guess.
Your
I would
night
say it is my night dress. This is my night look. I was just shooting for that.
I know that Thakur Sajjan Singh's family is very wealthy, but can't you wear a plain cotton nightie?
I would ask for that.
Okay, wear a silk nightie.
Yeah, if it was in my hands, I would surely be doing
okay,
that.
both of you should just protest because it's so hot in Bombay and this is how you have to dress all the time.
I know.
Actually, it's just that everyone wants to see women pretty on screen. So they have to be dressed like that.
I don't understand one thing. Aren't women not pretty?
Of course they are.
Without
they
decked up makeup and the sari, you know.
They are really pretty without the makeup and even in a silk nightie they look really pretty. But then such things have never been done by like anyone.
Yeah.
Like it's not been started. Now we need someone who can start this trend of bahus wearing a night suit so that we can even follow up with that in our show.
You're 19. This is not your first serial, but it is your first serial in the lead role. What's the difference between Kitni Mohabbat Hai, right? And the experience of being in a small role and the change now because you're the lead.
The difference there and here is that here, of course, the whole show is on your shoulder. Somewhere down the line, you have a major responsibility of the show on your shoulders. You have a lot of work to do. You, as work is concerned, I work for more hours, more than 12 hours, rather than other actors are concerned on my show. And I get more to experience, more to perform.
What about the trappings of stardom? Do you now have a vanity van of your own? Did you not have one on Kitni Mohabbat Hai? Do you have your own makeup room now? Did you not have your own room in that serial?
There's no difference in the facilities and the treatment as such.
You don't get special treatment because you are Pratigya.
If I ask for, I would, but I don't. And I think I shouldn't even be asking for special treatment. Why? I mean, I'm an actor, I'm an artist. I come here, I do my job, and everyone here is an artist. Just because you're lead, I don't think so you should be demanding for special treatments. If you want to, and if they give, samne se, it's well and good, it's Sone Pe Suhaga, but I don't think so you need to ask for.
Thakur Sajjan Singh's character is like a very frightening kind of person. The whole fierceness of his demeanor on the serial.
Yeah.
Therefore, were you intimidated by him when you started acting with him as a as a co-star?
Yeah, of course. My first shot with him, where I had to like talk to him and stuff, I was like, oh God, he's that one. I've seen him in films, and he really looks kind of a a fierce person basically, from his face, from his looks, from his eyes, and his one look is like, you're gone.
Galat take diya to thappad marega.
But thankfully he's not like that. He's a very sweet person.